traders seems to catch the trend right before it happens. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to forecast the trend direction and how to take the right trade at the right time using price sections, supply and demand, trend lines, and more live example from the market. Obviously, we're going to use a contract basically that show the same behavior that we forecasted at the Discord. Those of you who did not join the Discord yet, I want to mention that the Discord is completely free. The community keeps on growing, and I want to welcome our new traders in the Discord. Those of you who do not join, I'm gonna put the links in the bio and in the description box as usual. So let's dive in to today's subject: how to spot the trend and how to basically take the right trade in the right time using our tools. So we're looking at the platinum contract, basically the future contract. We saw basically that those of you who've been trading with us in the Discord channels basically spotted over here the right movement, enter a long position all the way up to here, risking $2,260 to make about 45K. Those of you who maximize the position, it's a complete art, and we're going to talk about how to maximize the position as well using those trade lines that from the same example we gave yesterday. So we saw the platinum car rally, the platinum future contract rally, and obviously before it rallies, there is a huge history that shows us and proves us there's gonna be a big move happening before. So we see, if we're always looking at a bird's eye view. If I'm gonna extend it even more, I'm gonna look at the weekly interval, and what we see in the weekly interval over here in a broader way, we see accumulation of energy right here. I'm gonna mark it for you. Just give me a quick sec. We can see it over here. I'm gonna brush it for you. All this area right here is an accumulation of energy. Basically, the price is being traded in a fair trade area for the longest time, right before either is rally or is diving down, and we basically need to predict according to the history where it's gonna move, how it's gonna move, when to take the right price action, when to get to the trade. So we're gonna go back to the day, and we're assuming we're gonna swing position it because we're looking at basically to swing position right after a big move, and we know to spot a specific areas where we can enter a trade. So if we are gonna use those same supply and demand pools that we usually use, we see basically that every time that the price lands over here on the demand area, it flips in reverse. On the flip side, we have basically over here demand area as well, that every time the price reaches to it, it flipped in reverse, and with it we can see this minor area as well, another accumulation of energy inside of accumulation of energy. I'm gonna mark it for you as well right here. Just a sec. Right here we see another accumulation of energy right here in this whole area. Basically what we see, the price charging energy, it's getting to basically swinging down from supply to demand again and again and again and again, reaching for the four time to the demand area. And we see with the supportive volume that slowly the buyer is getting into the picture, means the sellers cannot reach back again to this major demand area, and we have a new demand area evolving over here and all the way to the reach to this point, basically to this point right here, which this point